Welcome to WizzeBoo, where stories, colors, and fun come alive. Hello, super learners. Welcome back to My Sprunki. Today, we are going to draw and color Sprunki number 1. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big rectangle. This will be Sprunki's head and face. Make it neat and straight. Great job! Now, draw a long shape under the rectangle. This part is called the body stem or body base. It helps Sprunki stand tall and strong. Now, let's draw the eye. In the center of the face, draw one big circle. Inside it, draw a smaller circle. Inside that, draw a tiny dot. Now, let's draw the mouth. First, draw a smiling curve. This is the smile. Wow! Sprunki looks happy. Check your drawing. Do you have head, body stem, eye, smile, and tongue? If yes, your drawing is complete. Fantastic! Now, coloring time. Get your crayons ready. First, pick black. B-L-A-C-K. Color the pupil inside the eye, the inside mouth area. Color carefully. Stay inside the lines. Great job! Now pick dark red. D-A-R-K-R-E-D. Color the eye outline, the mouth outline, the smile edges. Nice and neat.
And sing both day and night. Learning makes the future bright.
Beautiful! Now pick red. R-E-D. Color the whole body. Head, face, body stem. Fill it smoothly.
In the world, stories told, rainbow colors come and play. In our hearts forever stay. Sprunki's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Jump and spin, 1, 2, 3. Sing these colors with me. Pink and purple, black and white, learn them all. Alright, Sprunki shouts, come and see. Colors live in you and me. Wave your hands in the air. Color learning everywhere. Yellow sun and green grass too. Sprunki's colors welcome you. Sprunki's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Point to blue, feel the beat. Sing the color, feel so sweet. Count the colors one by one. Learning is so much fun. Color fast and color slow. Sprunki helps us as we go. Sprunki's color parade, hooray! Color the world in a fun way. Dance along, 4, 5, 6. Sprunki's rhythm always sticks. Colors fade into the sky.
Wow! Sprunki is shining. Learning time. Let's learn together. This is Sprunki number 1. 1 means 1. Say it with me. 1. O-N-E. Great job! Fantastic work, super learners! Today, you drew Sprunki, colored Sprunki, and learned Sprunki number 1. I am so proud of you. Keep drawing, keep coloring, keep learning. See you next time with My Sprunki. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching WizzeBoo! See you next time for more fun adventures!